let us discuss 13th chapter, surface areas and volume.
You are familiar with some of the solids like cuboid, cone, cylinder, sphere, uh, like that. Okay, so you have already learned how to find the surface area and volume of these figures.
Now, in this chapter, we are going to learn the solids made up of combination of these basic solids like cylinder, cone, sphere, like that. Okay. So here one figure is given 13.2. This figure, when you look at this figure, so it is a combination of um, two hemispheres and a cylinder. So to find out the surface area of this figure, you need to find out the area of a curved surface area of two hemispheres plus the curved surface area of cylinder. Then a test tube. It is also a combination of one cylinder and a hemisphere at one end. Then look at this one. It's a figure of a top. It is a cone and a hemisphere. Now, so when you are asked to find out the areas of such figures, you have to find out the areas of that two separately, then add. Okay, so let us discuss that example 1. Rashid got a plain top as birthday present which surprisingly had no color on it. He wanted to color it with his crayons. The top was shaped like a cone surmounted by a hemisphere. The entire top was 5 centimeters in height and the diameter of the top was 3.5 centimeters. Find the area he has to color. Now look at this one. It's a figure of a top, one hemisphere and a cone is there. The total height is 5 and it is given the diameter of the hemisphere is 3.5 centimeter. Now, how will you calculate the total surface area of the top? That is curved surface area of hemisphere plus the curved surface area of cone. So here total surface area of top is equal to curved surface area of hemisphere plus curved surface area of cone. Now the figures given like this. So total height is 5 and this much, this one is 3.5. So what will be the radius? Radius will be 1.75. Now what will be the height of the cone? That will be 5 minus 1.75. Height of the cone h of cone is equal to 5 minus 1.75, that is equal to 3.25. Now To find out the curved surface area of cone, you need curved surface area of cone is equal to pi RL, where L is the slant height, R is the radius. So R is same as the radius of the hemisphere. So here R is equal to 1.75. But L you need to find out. What is L? H square plus R square root of H square plus R square. So H square, H is equal to 3.25. So that will be equal to 3.25 the whole square plus 1.75 the whole square. So it is equal to, it is given there 3.7 approximately. L is equal to 3.7. Now, after finding L, find out pi RL, that is equal to pi 3.14 or 22 by 7 you can write. R is equal to 1.75 or 3.5 divided by 2 you can put, you can cancel it with 7. Then 3.7, so it will be 0.5. Then here 11, multiply this one, the answer is given there. Then 11 into, or you can take afterwards the common thing, then multiply and get the answer, or directly you can do 11 into 0.5 or 3.7 into 11. Point 5. So 20.35. Now pi r square you have to find out. That is curved surface area of hemisphere. The curved surface area of hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square. Sphere curved surface area is 4 pi r square. Hemisphere, it will be half of that one, that is 2 pi r square. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 by 2 you can put. So 2 you can cancel, 11, again 0.5. So 11 into 3.5. Then again multiply by 0.5. So it will be 19.25 centimeter square. Now total surface area of top will be equal to, adding these two, that is 20.35 plus 19.25. So 39.6, 39.60 or 39.6 centimeter square you can put. So how you find out the total surface area of top here? Separately we find out the curved surface area of cone and the curved surface area of hemisphere, and we added that two to get the total surface area of top. Now example 2, the decorative block shown in figure 13.7 is made of two solids, a cube and a hemisphere. Base of the block is a cube with edge 5 centimeter, and the hemisphere fixed on the top has a diameter of 4.2 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the block. So here the figures given there. One cube, on that cube one hemisphere is there. So edge of the cube, that is equal to 5 centimeter. Then the diameter of the hemisphere is 4.2 centimeter. So how will you find out the area of this figure? That is, the total surface area of this figure will be equal to, first one, total surface area of cube minus base area of hemisphere, because that base is fixed to the cube, so that area you should avoid, minus, then plus the curved surface area of hemisphere. So total surface area of cube, that is equal to 6a square. So the total surface area of block is equal to, first one, total surface area of cube minus base area of, total surface area of block is equal to it is total surface area of cube minus base area of hemisphere plus curved surface area of hemisphere, it will come. So first let us find out total surface area of cube, that is equal to 6a square, where a is equal to 5 given, that is each edge is equal to 5 centimeter. So 6 into 5 into 5, so it is 150 centimeter square. Now base area of hemisphere, the base is that of circle. So base area of hemisphere is equal to pi r square, and curved surface area of hemisphere, that is equal to 2 pi r square. So one is negative, another one is positive, so you can subtract that from the second, where r is equal to, it is given diameter of that hemisphere is equal to 4.2. That means r is equal to 4.2 divided by 2, It is 2.1 centimeter. So base area of hemisphere that is equal to pi r square. Then curved surface area of hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square. So you will get total surface area of block, that is equal to 150 minus pi r square plus 2 pi r square. So 2 pi r square minus pi r square, it will be pi r square only, where r is equal to 2.1. So 150 plus 22 by 7 into 2.1 into 2.1, you will get 7 and 2.1 you can cancel, 0.3 you will get. Now multiply 2.1 into 3, 6, then into 22, 6, 12, 6, then 6, 8, 3 and 1. So it is 13.86. 150 plus 13.86, that is equal to 163.86 centimeter square. So first what we have done, to find out the total surface area of block, first find out the area, total surface area of cube minus the base area of hemisphere, then curved surface area is added to that one. Third one, a wooden toy rocket is in the shape of a cone mounted on a cylinder. The height of the entire rocket is 26 centimeter, while the height of the conical part is 6 centimeter. The base of the conical portion has a diameter of 5 centimeter, while the base of the diameter of the cylindrical portion is 3 centimeter. If the conical portion is to be painted orange and the cylindrical portion is yellow, find the area of the rocket painted with each of these colors. Now, how to do this one? See, here one cylinder is there. A cone is mounted on that cylinder. So height of the cone is given 6 centimeter. And total height of that toy is equal to 26. That means what will be the height of the cylinder? 26 minus 6, that is equal to 20. Now you have to paint this portion as orange and the remaining part, this one, as yellow. So the area to be painted orange will be equal to curved surface area of this cone plus base area of this cone minus base area of the cylinder. So whatever you can see, that part only you have to paint. So here area to be painted orange is equal to curved surface area of cone plus base area of cone. From that, subtract that base area of cylinder To find out the curved surface area, what is the curved surface area of a cone? That is equal to pi RL. So R is given there. R is equal to conical portion, that diameter is equal to 5. So R will be 2.5. H is given there, that is 6. You need to find out L. So let us find out L. So that is equal to root of h square plus r square. H is equal to 6. So 6 square plus r square. So 6 square 36. 2.2 square will be 6.25. So it will be 42.25. To find out the square root of such number, we already discussed. From this 25 only 5 and 42 you can write as a multiplication of 6 into 7, the consecutive numbers. Among that, smaller number you have to select. So the root of 42.25 is equal to 6.5. So L is equal to 6.5. So how will you find out curved surface area of cone? Now pi RL. So base of the cone is circle. So what is the area of base of the cone? That is of the circle, that is pi r square. And base of the cylinder is also a circle, but radius is different. Cylindrical portion, the diameter is given 3. That is, radius will be equal to 1.5. So radius of, let us write that, radius of cone is equal to 5 by 2, that is 2.5. So let us mark that one R1. And radius of cylinder is equal to 3 by 2, that is equal to 1.5. Let us mark that R2. Okay. Now to find out base area of, or together we can find out. So area to be painted orange. Is equal to pi RL plus pi r square, pi r1 square minus pi r2 square. So pi value here it is given 3.14 you have to use. So pi, let us put that one, pi value r is equal to 2.5. Pi is common there, you can take it out. 2.5 into 6.5 plus 2.5 square minus 1.5 square. So here pi into 6.5 into 2.5, they have given the answers there. All together it will come as 20.25, or multiplication with that 3.14, you will get it as 63.585. Now to simplify this one, multiply, and here also find 6.25 you will get, here 2.25 you will get, subtract that one, add to this one, you will get values like this. Now so area to be painted orange will be equal to 63.585. Then area to be painted yellow, that is that cylindrical portion. So here area to be painted yellow is equal to curved surface area of cylinder plus base area of cylinder. Curved surface area of cylinder, that is equal to 2 pi RH. So here R we took as R2, so R2 and H, then pi R2 square. Okay, now what is H? H we know, that is total height is 26 minus 6, that is 20 you will get. Now here also common thing is pi R, so you can take that outside. So 2 into pi value 3.14, R is 1.5, H is 20, plus again pi value 3.14, 1.5 into 1.5. So look at this one, pi and R is common there. So take it outside, will remain 2 into 20 plus 1.5, 2 into 20, 40, 40 plus 1.5, 41.5. So 3.14 into 1.5 into 41.5. The answer given there is 195.465 centimeter square.